Slovenia, a picturesque gateway between Western and Eastern Europe. Through the ages, the territory has been the stomping ground for invading armies and absorbed by countless empires. I'm here to explore Triglav, Slovenia's only national park and home to the Julian Alps. Along the way, I'm hoping to glimpse some of the history that has left its traces in the landscape. On the bike, happy face. Just going back to Bohinj and do a little bike around there and prep for my big run tomorrow, and then a 3-day bike ride. Phenomenal. Good morning from the shores of Lake Bohinj in Slovenia. I am just about to begin a 20-something kilometer run around the lake and up to Savica Falls. This is my second day here, so I'm still taking it easy. Tomorrow I begin a 3-day bike through the Triglav National Park. Anyway, I'm off for my run. I will catch up with you soon. I am just down from the Savica waterfall, and I will say waterfalls I think are slightly overrated as a destination. It was fine, it was beautiful, but a bit crowded and you couldn't really get that close, and I found much more connection when I actually just took a swim in Bohinj in the lake itself. I'm gonna take a slight detour and head up onto Mount Vogel by gondola. This is how I'm starting my morning. An espresso from a machine. The fish are nibbling on my feet. Good morning. I'm about to cross this mountain pass on a bicycle. It's the highest mountain pass in Slovenia. It's quite historic because the Russian POWs during World War I were forced by the Austro-Hungarians to build this road as a supply route over to the Caporetto front with the Italians. So it's quite historic. Many lives were lost building this road. So this is the calm before the storm. Nice easy incline before we get to the head wall, and then start the 50 or so switchbacks up through the mountain pass, which is top of the pass, and it's going to be all downhill from here. It's funny because I heard that there was 50 switchbacks. So when I got to switchback 20 and I was gutted, I thought, holy, I've got 30 more switchbacks to do. But sure enough, I got to switchback 25 or so and I'm at the top. So it was one of the more pleasant surprises I've had on this trip. Anyway, I will start the descent down to Kobarid, which is a very famous town near the border with Italy and has a lot of World War I history. One of the reasons why I decided to go early in the morning is to avoid too much car traffic on this road. In the quiet town of Kobarid, it's hard to imagine that some of the fiercest battles of World War I occurred here after Italy declared war on the Austro-Hungarian Empire back in 1915. In total, there were 12 main battles in this mountainous region, which are known as the Battles of Isonzo. This front alone maimed and killed a staggering 1.5 million souls. My first dip in the Isonzo River. I just found coffee. Well, I'm hoping that sign means I've reached the top of the pass and going into Bohinj in another 10 or 12 kilometers. That was a haul, man. There's some switchbacks at the very end. There's a couple of sections I just had to walk and it was like it wasn't worth it. My legs were like lead. Cheers. You're almost there. It's been a whirlwind tour of the Triglav National Park in Slovenia. I could easily have spent weeks exploring the geography and history of the region, but with so little time left, it's time to relax, take a swim, and admire my surroundings.